Hello everyone, my name is Sachidanand Dubey and I have completed my engineering in the field of computer science engineering, and today I am here to give a demo session on a topic of mathematics that is known as the trigonometry. So let's begin. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is composed of two Greek words, that is trigon and metry. Trigon means triangle and metry is meant for measurement. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the measurement of all the possible things inside of a triangle. Okay, what things lie inside of a triangle? So this is a triangle A, B and C. There are three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and the sides just opposite to this angle, side opposite to angle A is small a, side opposite to angle B small b, and side opposite to angle C is small c. So there are three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and three sides A, B and C. Okay, but I have a good news that we do not consider all type of triangles in the trigonometry. In trigonometry we have to consider just a single type of triangle, that is known as the right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle, and why it is known as right angle triangle? Because a angle is right angle, that is 90 degree in this triangle. So this triangle is known as right angle triangle. This is vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. This triangle is known as right angle triangle. Before proceeding further, I would like to discuss a very important thing, that is function. So what is the functions? A function is a type of machine which takes input in the form of values and give output in the form of values. So this is input and this is output of the function. Okay, for example, if this is a function and we give 2, 4 and 6 as the input values, and the function is defined as 5x, so the output will be 10, 20 and 30. So basically it is work as a machine which processes on the given input and give certain outputs. Similarly, there are three main functions in trigonometry, that is sine, cosine and tangent. Okay, so let's consider the sine function. This is sine function and this is the input theta. So the output will be some value. Now let me explain it further. What is sine theta? Sine theta is the relationship between the sides of this triangle. So there are particular names of the sides of this triangle. So let me first tell you the nomenclature for the right angle triangle. Okay, so if I take this angle as angle theta, so side just opposite to this triangle, this angle theta is known as the opposite, because this is opposite to angle theta. Okay, and side adjacent to this angle is known as the adjacent side. Okay, and this is known as the hypotenuse. The side opposite to right angle triangle is known as the hypotenuse. Okay, so let me explain the functions. What is the sine function? These are very fancy functions, but don't escape from this. I will make it simple for you. Okay, So this is the sine function. Okay, so sine theta is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, so let me consider a triangle. For example, if this is a right angle triangle and this is 4, this is 5, this is 3, this is 5 and this is 4. So sine theta will be, and this is angle theta, sine theta will be 3 upon 5. It is opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, let me explain other functions. This is opposite upon hypotenuse. This is cosine. Cosine is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is opposite upon adjacent. Now a question should arise in your mind, how can you remember these functions? So I have a trick for you, just don't scare from this. Okay, so just take the first letters from the ratios. So S from sine, O from opposite and H from the hypotenuse. Okay, here from the cosine just take cos, C from cos, A from adjacent and H from the hypotenuse. Again T from tangent, O from opposite and A from adjacent. Now you have the formula. What is so ka twa? You can define or you can generate these functions with the help of this trick. Okay, let me give an example to you. If you consider the tan theta for this given triangle, so this is theta, and what is tan theta? So we are going to see from the trick, that is tan is opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite? This is 3, and what is adjacent? That is 4. So this is the basic introduction of the trigonometry, right angle triangle and the functions used in trigonometry. These are 3 basic functions, and 3 more functions can be derived from these functions which are opposite to these functions. Okay, thank you.